Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Deskjet GT5820 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties, wait for a few seconds, and after that scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP Deskjet GT5820 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link, whatever first link is, and here we find the official website. Here we find our printer name, and here we find our operating system and bit. If it's not right operating system or bit, then click on choose a different OS, select Windows, and in version select Windows 10 32-bit if your machine is 32-bit. If machine is Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit, and after that click on the update. It's refresh this box. After that scroll down. Here we find many options. Find our printer driver from here. Okay, I go to the software utility. In a software utility, in some time in a basic drivers or any other drivers, we find these drivers. Okay, these drivers are IMP for us. In my case, I find it software utility and just check the file size and the version. Okay, and click on the download. It's redirect you to the another web page, and download is started at the top, and it takes few seconds to download to complete. Our download is complete. Go to the downloads, click on show in a folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our printer driver, and these printer drivers are basically a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Go to the your printer driver file, right click on it, click on the extract files, right click on it and click on the extract files. Click on the OK. Now it is unzipping. Wait for a few seconds. Unzip process is complete in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds to unzip process to complete. And new folder is created, extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. And here we find our drivers. Okay, close it. Next step is install that printer driver. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In a add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Check last option and click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click here and select any USB port that you want. Select any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Select USB port, click on the next. Here we find have a disk, click on have a disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find extracted folder or unzip folder, double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file that you want. Select any file. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find HP Deskjet 5820 series. It is a series printer. Include many printers. Select that printer driver and click on the next. Here we find the printer name. Queue any printer name that you like. I go with the same printer name. You can change any printer name with this printer name. Queue any printer name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It takes few seconds. Wait for a few seconds to properly install this printer. Printer is installed. If you want to share in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printers and scanner list, in a printer list, if you find your printer name HP Deskjet 5820, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.